Welcome to Nature's Wild Playground, and today we are going to be making our own laundry soap. It's going to cost you right around $12 for the whole entire year instead of $20 a month for 12 months. It's going to save you a heck of a lot of money. First of all, you are going to need borax, super washing soda, Arm & Hammer. So you're going to need a cup of each when it comes to those two I just showed you. You're going to need a whole bar of Fells naphtha. And in this canning kettle over here, I have 5 gallons of water. So what you're going to do is always turn on your stove to about a medium heat. That one must have got water in the burner. There it goes. So now if that's on a medium heat, you are not going to let that boil. It's very important that you don't let it boil. If you let it boil, you're going to have a sudsy mess all over the place. Have fun cleaning that up because I'm not coming over to help you. And you're going to need a good sized bucket. All you're going to need per load that you wash is 1 tablespoon. 2 at the max. Now I did get this recipe from Mom's Super Laundry Sauce. Her water measurements are totally different than mine. She uses a thicker sauce, laundry soap sauce, than what I do. I like mine more liquid, so that way it doesn't stick to your clothes. The thicker stuff will, but if you like the thick stuff, that's perfectly fine. You get a measuring cup and take a tablespoon of it, stir it around in there, and dump it into your washer. But that's just what I prefer. You're going to need the cheese grater to grate this up because it is a whole bar. So we're going to go ahead, add the Fells into your water and let that dissolve. I got a whisk. You can use a big spoon if you like. That is all up to you. These little chunks in here will dissolve. As you can see, they're starting to now. This is, like I said, this laundry soap is used for people that have skin allergies, eczema, certain types of laundry soap you can't use because you break out in a rash. That's why I use this, because there's only certain soaps that I can use, and at $20 a month for 4 people, it adds up. So I'd rather spend less than $5 for the whole year after you purchase the things that you do need. They can be found at Walmart or your grocery store in the laundry section. So we're just going to stand here and wait for this to dissolve. Now that this is basically dissolved, as you can tell, ignore the loud mouth in the back. There's our borax and our super washing soda. We're going to add that in. And all you need to do with this is dissolve it. That's all you need to do. So making your own laundry soap really doesn't take long. You see the bubbles in there from where I've stirred around. Now imagine what what it would be like if you let this come to a boil.
Not good.
No, not good at all. This will thicken up quite a bit. So if you don't like yours thick, just add more water to it. That's what I will end up doing once this cools down. It'll take overnight to cool and to set up. It'll look almost like Jell-O when it sets. But that's how you make laundry soap. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to Nature's Wild Playground. So after this sitting overnight, this is what your laundry soap's gonna look like. See that? That's a little too thick for me. So all I'm gonna do is break it up a little bit and add more water to it. I went ahead and dumped some water in. Dump a little bit more because it's still a little thick for my likings. I don't want this laundry soap to stick to our clothes. See how that liquefied it a little bit more? That's about the right consistency I like. Sometimes I add a little bit more water depending on the situation. But that's how you make your laundry soap.